In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple photos and documents from WhatsApp Web at once. First, make sure you're signed in to WhatsApp Web on your computer. Open your browser, go to the WhatsApp web page, and connect your phone by scanning the QR code if you're not already logged in. Once you see your chats on the left side and the conversation on the right, you're ready to go. Next, open the specific chat where the photos or documents you want to download are located. This can be an individual conversation or a group chat. Give it a second or two to fully load, especially if it's a busy chat with a lot of media. Now, look toward the top right corner of that chat window and click on the chat info area. This is usually where you see the contact or group name and a small arrow or three-dot menu. From there, open the media section. This is the area that shows all the photos, videos, and documents that have been shared in that chat. Once you're in the media view, you'll see thumbnails of all the files. Scroll through and locate the items you want to download. To select multiple files, start by clicking on one item to open or highlight it, then look for an option that lets you select more media. On many versions of WhatsApp Web, you can use a checkbox-style selection or hold the Control or Command key while clicking to add more items to your selection. Take your time here and select all the photos and documents you need in one go. After you've chosen everything, look for the download icon. This usually appears at the top right of the screen once multiple items are selected. Click that download button. WhatsApp Web will then prepare a single download, often as a compressed file, and your browser will save it to your default downloads folder. When the download finishes, open your downloads folder on your computer. You should see the file that was just created. If it's a compressed archive, extract it. And inside, you'll find all the photos and documents you selected from WhatsApp Web, ready for you to organize, back up, or share. That's all you need to do to download multiple photos and documents from WhatsApp Web at once. Follow these steps whenever you need to quickly grab a batch of files from your chats.